Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you promo codes for booking.com, right? And this is the latest promo codes which I will show you. So first of all, you have to just go to Google and here you have to type booking.com promo codes and hit the enter. Right, so you'll get a lot of website. They provide you the genuine promo codes here. The first one is grab on, right? So I will just go here and here you can see that depending upon your location it will show you the promo codes which is available, right? So here it is giving me 50% on my booking, right? And here if you just scroll a little bit down, if you just want to view all the promo codes, click on offers and it will show you. For example, I'm a US citizen and I just want for my US bookings, right? So here you can see that I will get up to 50% off to my US hotel bookings. The same way for the Miami Beach hotel. So for example, I just like this one, so I have to click on, and this is offer activated, right? And it will redirect to my booking.com website. Now here you can see grab on, it is linked to my account, which will be done instantly. You don't need to do anything. So if I just go and click hotels right now, right, and here if I just go and select any of the hotels, it will give me a 50% off on my US hotels, right? So here you have to search for US and just hit the enter, which is basically the Miami Beach one, right? Because yeah, of course you have to read all the terms and conditions related to it. But if you want a different coupon, right, if you just want to copy it up, just go back and here for example this one is, and here it will again redirect to me booking.com here, right? So this is how you can just access any of the booking, right? It's very easy thing to do. So just go and click see availability and it will show you, you can just book your rooms or whatever and apply, and offer will be promo code applied by default. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.